Hello, good morning. I hope everyone is doing fine at this point dahil napakaganda ng sikat ng araw ngayong umaga. And whatever you're going through, believe that you can. Now, I'd like to share something I just received yesterday. This is not wealth, this is not money, this is not promotion or anything. It's about wisdom. Words of wisdom from someone na nirerespeto sa larangan ng leadership, pati sa pagtuturo in the field of education. Sabi niya, it just popped. Tatlo kami dun sa table while we are waiting for our turn to present. Sabi niya, bilang leader, mas pipiliin kong maging mabuti kaysa maging mabait. For a second, napaisip ako dun. 7 seconds, ganun. Napaisip ako kasi, how? Paano? And then she expounded. Sabi niya, pag mabait ka, lahat pagbibigyan mo. Kasi nga, mabait ka. Nagkamaling iba, mabait ka. Hindi sila sumunod, mabait ka. Hindi sila nagpakita ng dedikasyon doon sa trabaho, mabait ka as a leader. Patatawarin mo ng patatawarin, nakasmile ka pa rin sa kanila. Pero sabi niya, but you know what, in leadership, it's not only about showing one emotion all the time. Sometimes, pag kailangan mo ipakita na upset ka, show it. Pag kailangan mong ipakita na malungkot ka din sa kanya, show it. Hindi pwedeng isang emosyon lang. Because people will receive that everything is okay even if it's not. Bilang leader, dapat mas mabuti ka kasi doon ka sa tama. Maging mabuti ka. Kasi kung mabait ka, hindi mo i-address yung issue. Patatawarin mo lang patatawarin at pagbibigyan mo lang ng pagbibigyan yung tao. So, begin with the thought that when you're a leader, piliin mong maging tama dun sa sitwasyon na yun. But of course, we do not reject the fact, sabi niya, na dapat meron ka rin kabaitan. So it should be a balance, but majority, dapat mabuting leader ka. Kasi yun yung trabaho mo. That's all. Bye!